Hi Cancer, welcome to your reading. So this is for June the 1st to June the 3rd, no? Cancer, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell at kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yun sa Babaylan TV, no? Meron din po tayong ibang reading, no, sa Babaylan TV. Moving forward to June, that will be also every day. So take advantage of viewing it. So Cancer, kung wala po kayong time para sumali sa ating live sessions, well then, dito po sa comment section sa YouTube, all you just have to do is to drop the question sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question, or answer rather, there is a form, no? Either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your question, follow the instructions, click submit, no? Basahin pong mabuti, no? Ayan. And kung gusto nyo mag-avail ng ating private reading, doon din po yun sa description box. So Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours, no? So let's start at Cancer. Cancer, ang nakikita ko dito is parang meron ditong sinasabi na hindi pa tayo tapos. Alam natin sa isa't isa na hindi ito dito natatapos. So there is a separation right off the bat. Now, the separation can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, different barangay, what have you. No, that's actually distance. Yung energetic separation hindi nag-uusap. Meron tayong mga sinasabi nating tampuhan, no? Kumbaga naghiwalay tayo for a little while. Distance and communication may not be available for us, pero alam natin na hindi ito ang tapos. With the Ace of Cups, the Three of Swords, and the Two of Cups, I feel like napaka-seryoso at napaka-balalim, no, ng pag-iibigang ito. Especially when it comes to sabihin natin na yung pain also, sa sobrang deep ng connection na ito, sa sobrang mahal nyo yung isa't isa, dumating tayo dun sa part na yung konting kibot, masakit, no? Parang sabihin natin na iyaking bata, no? Pero that's just a term, no? I'm not mocking the connection per se. Kasi sobrang sobrang intense ng relasyon with the King of Wands and the Nine of Cups. So I feel like merong nasabi that may the other person feel a little sensitive kasi either that is the whole truth or sobrang direct, no? Ang maganda naman dito is parang no barge, no? Kumbaga sinasabi nga na at least honest ako. Sa sobrang pagka-honest, walang preno, no? Yung isang tao dito, it could be you, Cancer, or it could be your person. Now, with the Two of Coins, the Knight of Wands, and the Nine of Wands, so ang nakikita ko dito, pahupa naman na either yung galit, pahupa naman na itong inis, no? Kumbaga meron na rin somewhat nagpaparamdam, hello, nandito ko, no? With the Four of Cups and the Moon card, I feel like with the Four of Cups in here, sabihin natin may nagpapabebe, nagtatago lang sandali, no? Kumbaga nagpapasuyo, no? Whoever this is, I feel like the Moon card kasi parang, ano pa ba yung kailangan kong gawin? Ano pa ba yung pwede kong gawin para suyuin pa itong taong ito? Pero somewhat nagpapakita na rin yung sinusuyo ng, okay, habulin mo ko, no, yung ganon. And I think that these are the gestures of them, na sila yung nagkakaintindihan. Yung iba siguro, kapag nandun ka sa labas ng relationship na ito, sasabihin ng, OA naman ito. Pero hindi kasi nila alam yung nangyayari behind closed doors. So sila lang yung nagkakaintindihan na ito mga small gestures, ba't hindi natin ibigay sa mga tao nagmamahalan, no? Huwag tayo maging bitter. Ayan. So this is your reading for now. Cancer, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, I'm seeing Scorpio, I'm seeing Leo. I'm also seeing Sagittarius. Taurus is here. It could also be Cancer. What I am also seeing is Sagittarius, no? Aries is also here, so this is your reading. Cancer, again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dito po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Again, Cancer, maraming salamat. Don't forget, no, na pwede kayong magtanong sa comment section or pwede kayong gumamit ng form. You have the freedom to use or utilize all those stuff. Also the
You want the best